Hello, welcome to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. I'm Nicole. In today's video, we are going to explain the dialogue for Lesson 9 of HSK 2. As I mentioned at the end of the last video, today we need to explain an important grammar in Chinese, which called result complement. I usually call it result word. Before I start the dialogue, I need to mention all of these vocabularies contain result word. 听懂,做完. I will mention all of these result words at the end of this video. Okay, let's start from the beginning. 昨天的考试怎么样? 怎么样 question. How about something? 昨天的考试 exam. Exam of yesterday. How about it? 你都听懂了吗? Did you all understand it by listening? Which means you can tell this is a listening test. 听懂了 understood by listening. 你都做完了没有? Did you finish all of them? 做完做 do something. 做完 finish by doing something. 题太多我没做完. 题 question. This one is generally is a question in your practice or tests. Another word of a question is 问题. This one is a question when you ask others a question. An example, 如果你有什么问题可以问我. HSK 的考试一共有60题 16 questions. Okay, let's back to the result complement. By the way, if you enjoyed this video so far, I would love it if you can give me a thumb up. This really helps me. The result complement generally is to tell the result of the action. As the meaning I mentioned before, 听懂 understand by listening. 做完 finish by doing. 懂 understand and 完 finish. These are all the result of the action. 听 and 做. The common structure is a verb with an adjective or another verb to indicate the result of the first verb. I've put some common verbs and some other verbs or adjectives can be used as the result complement at here. We can match them. The verbs 做, 听, 看, 吃, 喝, 找. And these words can be used as result words. 玩, 好, 懂, 见, 到, 饱. Okay, let's match them. 我9点才做完晚饭. I finished making dinner. 做完晚饭. 做完 and 做好. The first one, 做 do and 完 finish, which means you finish doing something. 完 and 好 most of the time they can switch to each other. So 我9点才做完晚饭. You also can say 我9点才做好晚饭. Because finish and done, they're really close. 做 and 到 has meaning of arrive or achieve. 他上个月做到了全公司销售冠军. Next one, 听 listen and 完 listen and finish. So finish listening something. 我听完了所有美美的歌. 听 and 懂 understand by listening. 我在学中文但是听不懂. At here, you can see the negative form of result complement. Put the negative word 不 in the middle of the verb and the result complement part. 听不懂. 你能听见我吗? Can you hear me? 你能看见我吗? Can you see me? This one happened frequently when you holding a meeting on the Zoom. 我吃完早饭再刷牙. Finish breakfast, then do another thing. 我终于吃到了波罗市场的西班牙海鲜饭. If you ever traveled to London, the Borough Market, you will understand how hard to get the paella. Always huge queue at there. So 终于 eventually, finally 吃到了 eat, arrive, achieve to eat this thing 吃到 something 你吃饱了吗？饱 has a meaning of full by eating something. If you want to say a cup is full of water, you can't say 饱. 饱 only means eating. 你吃饱了吗？ Are you full? Full by eating. If you still want to practice your listening and reading of lesson 9, you can check out this video. I will see you in next lesson soon. Bye bye.